Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be introducing the intermediate value theorem. And before I solve this problem, I would like to read what I wrote here, which explains what the intermediate value theorem says. So the intermediate theorem says that suppose that f is continuous on the closed interval a to b, and let n be any number between fa and fb, where fa is not equal to fb. Then there exists a number c in a to b such that a of c is equal to n. So, if we have a function f, then it will have to cross the x-axis. So like this. Or it has to be at least one value that crosses the x-axis. So it could also look like this. There could be more, of course, but there has to be at least one using the intermediate value theorem. So using this, we're going to find for a function. So if our function, we're going to say that is equal to, we're going to subtract 3 on both sides and add 2x on both sides. So we'll have this, and we'll call this fx, and then we can put in x is equal to 0, that would get us to e to the power of x. That would get us 1 minus 3, which is equal to -2. And then if we put in x is equal to 1, we would have e minus 3. And as you can see, these two, f of 0 and f of 1, are not equal to each other. And so if we draw this, we would have something like, so at x is equal to 0, we have -2. So at x is equal to 0, let's say that -2 is here, and e minus 3 is here. Wait, hold on. No, this is supposed to be 1. I'm sorry. It's supposed to be e minus 1, and so it would be e minus 1 here. So x is equal to 0, it is -2, and at x is equal to 1, we have e minus 1, and let's say that x is equal to 1 is here. Okay, then as you can see, it has to pass the x-axis at least once, right? So it could look like this, or it could also look like really curvy, because there has to be at least one. Oop, that does not make sense. And you may ask, why can't it go like this? If we have -2 and e minus 1, here's 1, then why can't the function look like this? I mean, it touches the x-axis once, right? But the thing is, this is not a function, right? Because I forgot what it's called, but I think it was called a vertical test or one-to-one. So this is not a one-to-one function. I don't know if that was right, and as you can see, this has to be a function. It has to be continuous. Oops. It has to be a function, and this is not a function because it doesn't pass the vertical test. So this would not be right. Okay, so we just showed that there is a root of the given equation in the specified interval by using the intermediate value theorem. And so Like about here, if the function looks like this, about here would be the C value. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope my explanation made sense. I'm not sure, but that would be it for this video. And in this video, I introduced the mean value theorem. And thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.